Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned question number 4 related with exercise number 6.2 related with chapter number 6 of Statistics class 10 Mathematics. In today's video, we are going to solve the problem number 6 related with exercise number 6.2 related with the topic Ogive. Now let's move to question number 6. It tells that construct an Ogive for the following table. We have a salary and workers given. Salary 40,000 to 50,000. In between this we have 3 workers. For the salary in between 50,000 and 1 into 6,000 we have 5 workers, and in between 6,001 and 7,000 we have 12 workers. In between 7,001 and 8,000 we have 9 workers. In between 8,001 and 9,000 we have 5 workers, and in between 9,001 and 10,000 we have 4 workers, and in between 10,001 and 11,000 we have 2 workers. And that is that draw an Ogive for this table. Now let's move towards solution. We are going to draw a table over here. The salary will be considered as the class limit because here we will find the average. So let's suppose the salary is considered as a class limit. So let's suppose this is a class limit. The first class limit is 40,000 to 5,000. 40,000 to 5,000. And the second one is 5,001 to 6,000. 5,001 to 6,000. And third one is 6,001 to 7,000. 6,001 to 7,000. And the fourth one is 7,001 to 8,000. And the fifth one is 8,001 to 9,000. And the fifth one is 9,001 to 10,000. And the last one, sixth one is 10,000 and 1 to 11,000. And also we have a worker given. So the worker here is actually the frequency in between the salary. So we will consider them as a frequency because this is an amount. So let's suppose this is the frequency F. The first frequency is 3 and the second frequency is 5. The third one frequency is 12. The fourth one frequency is 9. And the fifth one frequency is, the fourth one is 5. The fifth one frequency is 4 and the last sixth one is 2. Now here we will find a cumulative frequency. So let's suppose this is a cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is represented by C dot F. So cumulative frequency is find out by, let's suppose the first frequency is 3. So here the first cumulative frequency will always be equal to 3 in statistics. So after this we will add the upcoming frequency with this frequency. The upcoming frequency after 3 is 5. So add this 5 with 3, it will give us the cumulative frequency 8. After this, add the upcoming frequency 12 with 8, it gives us 20. After this, the next frequency is 9. So 9 plus 20, it gives us 29. And the next one frequency is 5. So 5 plus 29 gives us 34. The next one is 4. So 34 plus 4, it gives us 38. The next one is 2 frequencies. So 38 plus 2 gives us 40. Now after this, we are going to draw an Ogive for the following table. So let's suppose this is a y-axis and let's suppose this is our x-axis. So on the x-axis we will consider the upper boundary. Here we are going to find the upper boundaries. So let's suppose this is our upper boundaries. So how can we get the upper boundaries? This is the class limit. This is lower class limit. This is higher. Lower class limit, higher class limit, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, higher. So in higher limit, we will add a 0.5 with it. So it becomes 5,000.5. 5,000.5. So this is the upper boundaries. Here add with the higher limit 0.5. So 6,005, it becomes 6,000.5. The next one will be 7,000.5. And the next one will be 8,000.5. And the next one will be 9,000.5, and after this we will have a 10,000.5, and the last one will be 11,000.5. Now we will consider along the x-axis upper boundaries, and through the y-axis we will consider the cumulative frequency for finding or constructing an Ogive. So on upper boundary we have first of 5,000.5. So let's suppose this is 5,000.5. Let's suppose this is 6,000.5, and let's suppose this is 7,000.5. Let's suppose this is 8,000.5. Let's suppose this is 9,000.5. This is 10,000. 0.5, and this is 11,000.5. And through the along y-axis we will consider the cumulative frequency. So the first cumulative frequency is, let's suppose, 3. The next one is 8. After this we have a 20, and after this we have a 29, and after this we have 34, and the next one is a 38 and 40. 38 and 40. So to the front of 5000.5 we have a cumulative frequency 3. So here we will consider we will put a point in the front of 3 and 5000.5. To the front of 6000.5 we have a cumulative frequency 8. So 6000.5, and to the front we have 8. And to the front of 7000.5 we have a frequency 20. So let's suppose this is 20, and after this we have to the front of 8000.5 we have 29. So here we will consider 29.5, and to the front of 9000.5 we have a 34. So here we will consider 34, and here to the front of 10,000.5 we have 38, and to the front of 11,000.5 we have a 40. So the graph for the Ogive will just like that. So a curve just like this will be a make for Ogive. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about statistics and mathematics. Thank you.